Welcome to codersclub.in. In this video, we will look into internal or embedded JavaScript. I have opened Visual Studio Code. I have opened a file called as eg21.html. So the template is ready. So now I'll write the script within the head portion. And here I will write alert inside head, and I will also write console.log inside head. So I am writing the JavaScript which is within the script tag, and this script tag is placed within the head section. So that is what is the meaning. So let us see how it is rendered on the browser. See, inside head. So it is executing. So we'll see whether the console log is done. So console log is also done. So what is happening here? So the HTML file starts rendering from here, and the browser looks at this script tag, and then it understands that whatever is written inside this is a JavaScript code. So these 2 lines of code is executed. That's all. So this is about this is called as internal JavaScript or embedded JavaScript. And you can also write functions also here. If you want, you can write function foo like this. And you can call these functions whenever an event occurs, like a click of a button or mouse over event happens, you can call this function also. So this function gets executed. So whenever we write the JavaScript within the head portion, it is called as internal JavaScript or embedded JavaScript. That means this particular JavaScript is within this HTML file itself. That is why it is called as internal. Thank you.